Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share natural versus added sugars, types of sugar, measuring sugar, and storing sugar. Sugar is a carbohydrate found in most plant foods. Sweet fruits have more natural sugars than vegetables and savory fruits. Sugar from sugarcane and sugar beets is added to sweeten foods and beverages. For decades, consumer sugars consisted of white, granulated, and powdered, and dark and light brown sugar. Today, there are more varieties, including raw and organic sugars. The health risks associated with consuming too much added sugar are the same for cane and beet sugar. One difference is that cane sugar and organic beet sugar are non-GMO. Non-organic beet sugar is GMO. Because sugar granule size varies, weighing is the most accurate way of measuring sugar. 1 cup of granulated sugar is supposed to weigh 200 grams. 1 cup of this sugar weighs 16% more. Granulated sugars are measured level with the top. Brown sugars are measured level and packed. Packed brown sugar weighs about 25% more than unpacked. Refined white sugars, including powdered sugar, can be stored at room temperature in airtight containers for years. So why do white sugars have a use-by or best-by date? Like salt, granulated sugar can form clumps when exposed to high humidity. High molasses brown sugars not only form clumps, they can dry out and become rock hard. Storing sugar in airtight containers, minimizing the amount of air, reduces clumping and retains the flavor of brown sugars. You can also store brown sugars in their original bag, removing as much air as possible to prevent it drying out. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.